soaring operating costs, unprecedented pressure to reduce carbon footprint. The cold chain industry is faced with unprecedented challenges to meet global demands. That's why it's vital to find a reliable partner for your cold storage needs. Whether your business needs to rapidly boost production or find a more agile way to deal with fluctuating demand, you need a plug-and-play solution which is efficient, safe, flexible, and easy to operate. Trane's cold storage rental solutions combine robust engineering and powerful cooling performance from Thermo King with the support of thousands of trained service technicians all over the world. Trane cold store containers come in a wide range of sizes, versatile, adaptable, no matter the size of operation. Our extensive fleet of cold stores, blast freezers, and super freezers will address your storage needs while providing accurate and reliable temperature control, with temperature set points from -70 to +45 degrees Celsius. Our modular store solutions offer scalability on demand so you can ramp up or decrease production without costly delays. We prioritize ease of use. Features such as ramp access and adjustable feet come as standard. Protecting your cargo is also paramount. Curtains provide protection and prevent heat loss, while state-of-the-art monitoring helps you maintain the right temperature under any conditions. Sustainability is in our DNA. Trane cold stores are not just economical to run, they also use low GWP refrigerants and the highest possible insulation grade. Our generator sets will keep your refrigerated container running off-grid, even in the toughest remote conditions. You can run them on biofuels to reduce your carbon footprint. And for completely fuel-free operation, opt for our battery packs, equipped with state-of-the-art telematics. Trane cold storage systems keep you in the loop with a host of essential features, from 24/7 remote online access to data logging and trend reporting. And we know you want peace of mind, so you'll be up and running swiftly, supported by a large network of service technicians and a proven track record going back more than a century. Partner with Trane to meet your cold storage demands head-on and do what's right for your business today and the planet tomorrow.